Morning. Williams, Philippines. It's 11:11, Sunday, March 30th, 2025. Oi, caught a few of the earthquake videos from Myanmar and Bangkok. Oi, Lord help them. It's a horrible thing to, building. Well, I don't like real tall buildings. Uh, when they do come down, it's just a pile. It's hard to do anything. It's hard to survive something like that. And yeah, because when those things pancake down on top of each other, by the time you get the top floor down to the very as far as it down as it's going, there's a lot of squish going there. It's not good. One of the reasons I don't like tall buildings. It's like I've seen what just one, second story coming down onto the first. Working construction, tornado came through a subdivision that was being built, and a whole bunch of those, yeah, being built. The houses just landed on, second floor on the first one and second and third on the first one. Makes a bit of a mess. And that skyscraper that was being built there in Bangkok, yeah, bad timing for it. It's, boy, I feel for them. Feel for the folks over there in Myanmar. I don't know. Their military junta dictator group, yeah, it's not good. But it's got to be pretty bad when they start calling for help. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I caught a bit of this yesterday and uh, saw some more of it this morning. Apparently, they had another earthquake aftershock 5.1. Uh, Worrisome. And on top of that, Myanmar's got government's crazy, and they're asking for help. When the last time that they asked somebody tried to offer help, they did a whole bunch of rediverting and limiting who could get it and not really letting it go to where it was needed, basically stealing it. But hey, it's not like that don't happen here. Red Cross, yeah. It's donated to them and then they charge people for it. Red Cross. If I give anything to anybody, it's the Salvation Army. I don't even want to give blood to the blood bank because it goes out as a Red Cross. Yeah. So we have our own. And then what did they just find out? The FEMA, whole bunch of that money was stolen. We got our problems too here. So major malfunctions. Anyway, blessings to all the folks there in Myanmar and Bangkok, that area. That was a pretty good sized one, and it shook up a whole lot of place. Saw a few of the satellites images showing the before and after and how much places are really flattened. Not good. It is what it is. This is why I like short buildings. A lot more survivable. But that takes up a lot more area. Uh, anyway, got a bit of a, I don't know what you call it. Well, a data dump to me, change in thought processes and timing. Uh, I don't know. I got a couple weeks to think. I gotta do things. Uh, life's strange. Ah, throws hiccup. You want to hear God laugh? Make plans. uh, it is what it is. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but these days of getting things done has got me done. And quite honestly, I'm about to go to bed. It's a good thing to get some extra sleep when you can. And sorry, food and soda are causing gas and such today. Heartburn, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed and enjoyable weekend, that you had a lot of food, friends, and family. Uh, yeah, more food. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Come along for the insanity. Or not. Like, comment, subscribe. Anyway, hope you have a blessed day. I'm Fish, and well, Fish is out.